Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to spot for all things social media and tech. If you're diving deep into the world of Instagram Reels and wishing you could keep some of those cool videos without the pesky watermark, you're in luck. Today I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels without a watermark. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about why you might want to download Reels without a watermark. Whether it's for personal use to save your favorite moments or for content creation purposes, getting clean, watermark free videos can be super useful. So, first things first, head over to your Instagram app and find the reel you want to download. Tap on the arrow icon, then tap on copy link. Easy, right? Now go back and open your preferred web browser. Here I'll be using Chrome. Now search for Instagram Reels downloader. Tap on the first link that you can find. Here you will need to paste the link of the reel and hit the download button, and voila, the app will process the video and download it without the watermark directly to your gallery or camera roll. And just like that, you've got your Instagram reel watermark free. Remember, it's crucial to respect copyright laws and the creator's rights when downloading and using videos. Always use downloaded content responsibly and ethically.